What is going on, everyone? And welcome back to another Ross Reviews, where today we are in a 2008 Holden VE SS. And this particular one has got an HDT Group 3 body kit fitted, X-Force exhaust, big cam, and this thing has been tuned now to over 484 rear wheel horsepower. 6-speed manual, NAV8. Oh shit, yeah. Now under the bonnet, this has the L98 naturally aspirated V8. And this old girl packs quite a punch. 270 kilowatts and over 530 Newton meters of torque straight out the box. We got the 6-speed manual, the T56. Man, it is sweet in a car like this. And now, this is how you modify your car. And a huge thank you to Next Rides again for loaning me out this particular VE SS, because this is for sale, guys, and this thing is damn cool. You know, the retro HDT body kit on this thing really gives it some flavor, and then to back it up with these mods, big lumpy cam, that screaming exhaust. This exhaust sounds so good, by the way. And the fact it's tuned to 484 rear wheel horsepower, mate, my Typhoon is at 485 rear wheel horsepower, so this thing definitely gets up and goes. Oh man, it is sweet. The noise off this thing, this is exactly how you gotta do a V8. You can heel toe pretty easily, get around this real tight hairpin. There's actually not much body roll. Oh my word! And this thing, this T56, I do not know what diff gears are in this, probably standard, but holy crap, it goes so fast. And even when I was driving it down here, when I was in 6th gear, this thing was doing like 1,500 revs at 110 k's an hour. Like, it is really tuned for the highway up top. And my goodness, top of third, you are having some fun. Oh, those downshifts are so good, and the pops and bangs, far out. I love this. Ooh, squirrely. And man, you really, this is the best thing about this car. Rear wheel drive, overpowered, big boat of a thing, and you gotta control this girl. You're on the edge, and this is what makes it so fun and engaging. It's just a bat out of hell, and trying to maintain this thing in a straight line. Oh, it's so good. And just changing gears like that, rev matching, and oh baby, it is good to be in a V8. Wow, this is just too much fun. I tell you what, Brocky would be proud. Now, just having a walk around on this VE SS with the HDT Group 3 body kit on it, what do you guys think? Leave it in the comments what you reckon of the style of this car. It definitely was out there, and before today, I don't know if I was such a fan, but after today and the fact this particular one has the mods to really back itself up, I absolutely love this thing. I'm falling in love with it. And what do you guys think? We've got the HDT wheels, you know, the bulge, the front bumper is different. We got all the stickers that are correct. My favorite feature of this, the whole car, is really the back end, how it just has this very pronounced wing, comes even out onto the side, which is a really cool look. And of course, we got those X-Force exhaust tips down there, which sound absolutely great. Yeah, this car, I think it is really cool, and it does feel special. Now, we were talking about Peter Brock before, and this place we are at right now has some serious significance. Peter Brock did have a lot to do with HDT. He actually purchased the company and pretty much started this whole, I'm gonna specialize and upgrade your cars and make these kits, like kind of like a Walkinshaw does. And you know, look, he was an amazing race car driver. Today we are in Gidgeganup, we're on Obrien Road, and this is the exact spot where unfortunately Peter Brock lost his life in a racing accident in a Targa West event. Here's the little shrine we have actually of the legend. And yeah, Targa West 2006. And yeah, Peter Brock 1945 to 2006. Rest in peace, the king of the mountain. And you know, people every now and then come down here, leave little trinkets and stuff just to pay their respects. And to be out here in a Holden, in an HDT, driving on this same road, it really does feel special. So yeah, RIP Brocky, and let's find out what this thing will do 0 to 100. Now here we are, we're out on the back road. We've got the Draggy. We have reset the Draggy. There is no launch control or anything, so we're just gonna send it. So yeah, this one is for you, Brocky. Oh baby, that was a good attempt. We definitely did have some traction issues there on first, but wow, and that exhaust. Oh my word, it is good. This is an X4 system and I absolutely love it. Like, that thing was just violently popping and banging and screaming. Oh, it's so good. Now let's find out what that time actually was. 0 to 100 was done in 5.9 seconds, and for a manual, I am super happy with that. You know, you really got to be on a perfect road condition, have your tires, you know, in perfect setup on a sticky surface. Look, 5.9 on a back road that we're on today, I think that is really good. This thing is not like light, it's heavy. And you're probably looking at about 1.7, 1.8 tons in this vehicle. 5.9 is impressive. So this thing absolutely hauls. It is so much fun. Now price, back in the day, one of these base model VE SS's would have set you back around that 48 grand mark, and that was a bargain. Nowadays on the used market, you'd be looking anywhere between that kind of 20 grand to 40 grand, depending on case and condition. This particular one, having all the HDT stuff, all the modifications, look, to do something like this to a standard one, you're talking some serious money. You know, minimum probably about 10 grand just to modify it to this level with just performance. And then, you know, adding in this HDT kit, you can buy these aftermarket on eBay and such. You'd be looking at least 3 grand for the body kit, probably another 3 grand for the wheels, and then you're gonna have to paint this thing. So man, it really is kind of an expense to get one of these. So if you're lucky enough to find one, like this particular one is for sale at Next Rides, make sure you go and have a look. Link is in the description. This is a lot of fun. Now I'm gonna finish the video off here today, so a huge, huge thank you to Next Ride once again for allowing me to take this out today. Really, just the mods on this, the HDT looks, this is such a unique car, so much fun to drive out here on the back road, and all the Peter Brock, just the memories on this road, in this car, what an experience. So again, this is for sale, a link is in the description below. So much fun. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you hit that like button, consider subscribing if you're new here. We'll see you in the next video.